Here we are inspecting a property that was impacted by the recent hailstorms in western Wisconsin. Taking a look at how all the products held up on the home, we noticed right away, you can see there's very obvious damage on the siding here where the hail impacted that. Now it broke the siding. You've got that very obviously on a few spots on the front and side elevations. We're gonna go take a look at the roof next. Now here we are taking a look at the roof. One of the things to point out is this roof is less than 12 months old. This was just replaced last year. One of the things that we did at that time with this homeowner is have the conversation of using better quality materials to prevent having hail damage affect the home or impact the home unless severely catastrophic. And when we take a look at these shingles, they held up perfectly. There's no granular loss on here because of the hail. There's no fractures to the matting, no bruising to the matting. And these shingles will continue to perform the way that they were designed to, as if hail never even impacted this home. And the reason why that happens, and the reason why we can say that, is because we use a higher quality of material, the GAF Timberline ArmorShield shingle, which carries a Class 4 impact rating. And even though they had hail here that damaged the gutters, damaged the siding, this home will not need to unnecessarily replace their roof because they use better quality materials for better quality results. I'm proud to say this is another roof marked safe from hail damage.